How to fix MultiVersus Launch Error, failed to get the process path. 1. Reboot your system. 2. Launch MultiVersus.exe as an administrator. Like this. 3. Repair the game via Easy Anti-Cheat, EAC. 4. Disable your antivirus. Plan B, troubleshoot. In a clean boot state. 5. Make sure your graphics driver is up to date. To do so, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Verify your game files in Steam. 7. Disable your VPN. 8. Reinstall MultiVersus.